I'll show you how to remove this door handle on this 2015 Cadillac ATS. Looked online, couldn't find too much good info on it, so I figured I'd do a video on it. So I got this door panel already loose. It's a bolt here, and you pop this panel back here. You got two bolts there. Of course, pop it all off. You got your cable here. Pull that, push that button down and pull back. You got harness here. Put this to the side. So to take it off, need a Torx. Little access hole, the Torx there, back it off, and that comes off. Open that up a little bit, pull that off. Now this door handle has, when you come back, has a cable attached here. So what I did was light. It's a harness that sticks up back here. Pull that off from behind. This piece of metal, this harness sits here. You got this little red clip you pull back, and release with two hands. Release it there. Boom. The tricky part was, take that off, put it back, come out, take the harness out. What I learned, what's the hard part was putting it back in. Run that back through, slide that back in, push it down, and a little piece of metal back there don't go on so easy. So what I ended up doing was taking a clip remover tool and pull this forward all the way like that. Put that in, let it go, and that's that. Then you take the back part of the handle, put it back in, open the handle, shut it, and you're gonna take your Torx, doing the Torx, tighten it back up here. Though locked. Unlock this door. Cool, that's it. Don't forget to connect this wire back up.